What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, and you are watching the Deal Finder. Monday, February 3rd, and we have the flash deals for the week here at Costco. Let's get into the video. So first up from Acer, we have their Nitro 32-inch curved gaming monitor. It does have a resolution of 2560 by 1440, 180 hertz refresh rate, but you must use a display port in order to get that. Has a 1 millisecond response time, a zero frame design as well. Look how beautiful that looks. Has that AMD FreeSync. Pretty nice monitor if you are looking for a gaming monitor. Now this does have an aspect ratio of 16 by 9, so it is not an ultra wide, which I like. Has a nice curve to it. It's a VA panel, so keep that in mind as well. $30 off the tag, bringing it down to $199.99. So if you are in the market for a new monitor and you don't play video games, have a look at the LG. This is their 32-inch ultra-fine IPS monitor. Now there's nothing fancy about it. Doesn't have a curved display. It's not an ultra-wide. It doesn't have any smart features. What it does have is a crisp ultra-fine display, just like it says on the box. The image on this, the picture quality is amazing. 3840 by 2160 resolution, 4K, 60 hertz refresh rate, 5 millisecond response time. You will not be disappointed when you plug it in. Amazing picture quality. Now I do think they made an error on this price tag once again. It should be $40 off and priced at $259.99. It's also available at Costco.com. Here it is, the LG 32-inch, $259.99. And moving on, this time we have a couple of laptops on sale from Acer. We have their Swift Go. This is their 14-inch touchscreen laptop. Has the Intel Core Ultra 7 in it, 1920 by 1200 resolution, Windows 11 preloaded, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, solid state. Obviously has a beautiful backlit keyboard. $150 off the price, bringing it down to $599.99. We also have a 14-inch laptop from Lenovo as well. This is their IdeaPad 5. It's a touchscreen, has the AMD Ryzen 7 in it, has a 1920 by 1200 resolution, Windows 11 preloaded, same thing, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive. They're taking $100 off the price, $699.99. Both laptops are available at Costco.com for the same exact price. And here we have the Dyson Purifier, the HP7C. Now this is a multifunctional machine. Not only does it purify, it also heats and it cools. Does all three and it looks amazing. It comes with two filters, the H13. Those are HEPA filters. What's nice about this machine, it automatically senses and reacts to changes in the air quality. So when it does detect pollutants in the air, it'll report it right to the machine and the app as well, which is pretty nice. $200 off the price they're giving us. It's $399.99. Still very expensive, but it looks amazing. Hopefully this machine does go on clearance. So directly in front of us from Aiden Ivy, we have their oversized fabric chair. It does include the ottoman, creating that full moon effect. There it is. Plenty of storage space in that ottoman. Also, the 3 back pillows are included in this set here, which is nice. The seat cushions are made out of a high density foam, and it has a durable nylon web seating support, which is nice as well. One big box, here it is, very big. You are going to need 2 people here. If you want to order at Costco.com, it's for $3.99. They're taking $80 off the price. At the warehouse, we can see $289.99. And once again, we have the DPS gaming chair available here at the warehouse. We have the gray and we have the black. They're on sale. If you head over to Costco.com, you can pick up the full white version for $149.99. Here at the warehouse, $20 off at $129.99. Nice chair, great reviews. My personal opinion, it's just not supportive enough, especially if you're working from home. If you're going to be in this chair more than 4 hours a day, you definitely got to bump it up, get a better quality chair than what we're looking at. Decent chair, but just not enough support. $20 off, $129.99. And just very quickly, friends, do not forget about the flooring mats. This deal will expire very soon, I believe on the 7th. Now, these are nice flooring mats. They're very cheap. Not too much left here at the warehouse. A lot of warehouses are liquidating these. I do believe they're going to go on clearance very soon. So if you are in the market for these, for this price, it's a steal. Or you can gamble and see if it does drop on clearance. $6 off, $23.99. And if you're in the market for winter work gloves, these are it. These are awesome from Mechanics. These are great. They're cold weather, water resistant gloves, and we do get a 2 pack here. Different sizes are available. Excuse me. Nice gloves. You can't go wrong with these. I like them. I was thinking about grabbing a pair, but I may wait to see if these drop on clearance. Since I do come to the warehouse every day, that's what I pretty much do. I try to wait till things go on clearance. $6 off as well. $23.99. Now I almost forgot, we do have one more heater to show you. We have the Vornado, the whole room heater, and it does have a fan option as well. Fantastic reviews online, over 3,000 reviews. It has 2 different heat settings. You could choose between 1500 or 750 watts. Has a fan only setting, which I did mention. Also has a nice automatic climate control, and those controls are touch sensitive as well, with a nice large digital display. Also has a 12-hour auto off timer, and it does include that remote control. Pretty nice features here. $20 off, $49.99. It's available at Costco.com for the same exact price. And back on sale again, we have the Ion. Now, this is the Tailgater, their tough, portable, all weather wireless Bluetooth speaker. Now, this is very rugged, great for the beach, great for the outdoors, the job site. It has a built in power bank, which I love, 65 watts of sound, IPX5, so it's weatherproof and water resistant. Very rugged. I love the design to it. Has a 1/4 inch input with gain control, so you can connect the mic to it. Beautiful speaker here, nice and rugged. $30 off, $69.99. That speaker is also available at Costco.com, the same price as well. And now from Dell, we have their Inspiron, their desktop computer. Now this does have the 14th generation Intel Core i7, Windows 11 preloaded. This does have the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 4.0, and it has an integrated graphics card, the UHD 770. Also comes with a keyboard and mouse, but no monitor. Pretty much what you see here is what you get. The keyboard, the mouse, and the desktop. Has 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive. Obviously, that's a solid state hard drive. Now, pretty decent price, nothing too crazy here. $100 off, $799.99. And just very quickly, friends, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. We are doing a giveaway at Watch the Deal Finder, a free Costco membership. But before we do, there's certain rules and regulations we need to follow. So we had to hire a third-party company to take care of that. So very shortly, hopefully we'll get it done by the end of this week. Right in front of us, we have the LaCroix sparkling water, a variety pack. So we get 24 cans here. Each can is a 12-ounce can. 6 lemon, 12 lime, and 6 grapefruit. Has 0 calories, 0 sweetener, 0 sodium. $2 off the LaCroix, $7.99. And let's move on, friends. We have the Sun Chips up next, the Harvest Cheddar. Now, these are 100% whole grain, no artificial flavors or preservatives, heart healthy. Now, their claim is these are 30% less fat than regular potato chips. They're 140 calories for 14 potato chips, 19 grams of carbs, 2 grams of added sugar, and 2 grams of protein. Now, we do have an issue here because the price did fall down. They're taking $3 off the price. I did zoom in. Now, this is the price for Doritos. It's pretty much the same price for Sun Chips, $4.99 after the discount. And here we have the Mateos, the gourmet salsa, medium heat. Now the ingredients were very clean on this. Nothing organic, but still clean. I tried it. I picked it up. I thought it was fantastic for salsa. Pretty amazing. Very authentic Mexican taste to it. I liked it a lot. Shake it up before you use it, just like it says in the bottle. 10 calories per serving. I thought it was great. 32 ounces, $2 off the price, $4.99. So just up ahead for our little ones, we have the Go-Go Squeeze yogurts. Now these are a variety pack. We get 10 blueberry, 10 strawberry. Each pouch is 3 ounces, so we get a 20 count per box. When it comes to these types of pouches, I like to buy organic, and I like to buy the ones that are refrigerated. That way I know they have the least ingredients possible. I usually buy the brand Once Upon a Farm, but unfortunately they don't sell them here at Costco. I have to go to a different warehouse called BJ's Wholesale. That's pretty much in New England, if you never heard of it. I'm not sure if Sam's Club sells these, but these are priced at $9.49. And the very popular Kinder's Buttery Buffalo Sauce here. Costco did make a mistake, though. They put organic on the price tag. They also put organic on their website, and it's not. What it does have is soybean oil, dextrose, sunflower oil, and natural flavors. hard pass for me, but it does have low calories, 25 calories per tablespoon, 1 gram of carb, no protein here, and it's a pretty good price for what it is. Not bad at all. If you want a delicious buffalo sauce, try out Primal Kitchen. They make a great buffalo sauce. $2 off, $5.99. So here we have the Pokemon Pikachu, the 24-inch Squishmallow. It finally dropped in price, $10 off, $29.99. If you do grab this, make sure you grab the one that's sealed. When these originally get shipped to Costco, they come sealed in a plastic bag. Costco likes to open them and put them in the bin. But when you come to Costco as much as I do, you start to notice things. And what I see is adults, kids, these get thrown around left and right and they end back up in the bin. Also, you see adults, kids, they jump in those bins, they fart all over those Pikachus. You don't want to bring that home for $30. You want a nice clean one. This is priced at $29.99. So here we have the new Maybelline, the Sky High Lashes Fly Sky High. We get a 3-pack of mascara, 0.24 fluid ounces. Now, last year's Maybelline mascara went on clearance about April. This year, I'm pretty much expecting the same. If you don't need it, maybe you want to wait, maybe not. But it is on sale today, $4.50 off, $18.49. Last year, it went on clearance for $11.97. And now from Babe Original, we have their Essential Lash Serum. Now, this product has a lot of reviews, a lot of great reviews. People love this product. This is the #1 professionally recommended lash serum. Longer looking lashes within weeks, that's their claim. Oil-free and safe to use with extensions or strips. A lot of claims. A lot of 80% saw longer lashes within 6 weeks. $10 off the price, $33.99. And here we have the Chefman, the family size electric warming tray, has a beautiful glass top, adjustable temperature control. The warmer surface is 21 by 16. It's very easy to clean because of that tempered glass top. Has a nice black stainless steel accents right around it. They have one on the display. Let's have a quick look. It's compatible with all Safeware cookware. A lot of people love this, a lot of great reviews. Pretty great price as well. You can pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price here in the warehouse. They're taking $10 off, bringing the price down to $29.99. So next we have the Gourmet back on sale again, their extra large digital countertop air fryer. I did pick this up the other day. I brought it home and I gotta be honest, I didn't like it. I know I have a lot of viewers that love it. It even has great reviews online, but me personally, I didn't like it for 3 different reasons. First one, took forever to heat up. Second one, I thought the crisp wasn't that great. And then third, the French doors, they got way too hot. If you have little kids at home, you really need to be cautious. They can burn themselves. Those 3 big reasons why I am going to return it. I have the Ninja now. It's a little small. It flips up. But that one heats up in like 2 minutes to 400 degrees. But here at the warehouse, the Gourmet is back on sale, $99.99. And in line, we have the TP-Link here. This is their Wi-Fi 7 tri-band whole home mesh system here. It does come in a 3-pack. Very nice system. Decent reviews online. This is their new 6 hertz band for the latest Wi-Fi 7 technologies. And you do get incredible speeds, up to 7,600 square feet. So if you do have a mansion, you're in luck. Definitely try these out. Great if you love fast internet. They're taking $100 off the price, bringing it down to $399.99. And just on the other side of the aisle, we have the Lifetime folding chairs. Now, right in front of us, look at this price. Fantastic deal. Now, these are designed for durability. They're very nice. This is the almond color. They do have a nice wide seat, a tall back, very heavy duty, superior strength and durability. They're very easy to clean as well. A nice color here. They have a 500-pound weight capacity per chair, so a lot of people do ask about that. So they are super heavy duty. Here at the warehouse, check out that price. They're taking $5 off, $19.99. They have a 4-pack online at Costco.com for $129.99. They're giving you $20 off. Same thing. It's a little bit more money, but you have more options to choose from there. They have the black version and they have the white. So here right in front of us, we have another product from Lifetime. We have their folding 6-foot table here. Let me see if I can get a better shot of that, of the camera, of that tag, so we can have a nice look at it. So here it is. You can pick this up as well. It folds right in half. Not too heavy. It's 6 feet in length. Very heavy duty. $12 off, $47.99. And now from Mason Craft and More, we have their 4-piece glassware set here. These are the canisters. These are very durable, very big. I love these. I have them at my home. I got 2 sets of them. These are very, very useful. I like to put rice in one of them, the dog food, dry beans, lentils. I put the protein powder in them. Very useful products here. They do a nice job with sealing them. Nice airtight seal with them. They have the nice wide mouth too. You can fit out your whole hand in there very easily with a measuring cup. So pretty nice product here. I like it a lot. $5 off, $16.99. So here we have the Hidden Valley up next. I almost forgot to show you the ranch dressing home style. Now we get 2 massive bottles. Each bottle is 40 ounces. So we get a total of 80 ounces of ranch dressing. And the price is unbelievable. Now this is the home style, thick and creamy, 120 calories per serving here. There is rumor that this product is going to be discontinued. I'm not 100% sure on that, or maybe different packaging. But they are giving us a discount today, $3.50 off, $8.49 for 80 ounces of ranch dressing. And next up from Ninja, we have a discontinued product deal here for you. We have the Foodie, the Possible Cooker Pro. 8.5 quarts, they're multi-cooker, 8 different cooking functions, has that steam and roast rack included, oven safe up to 500 degrees, the pot at least as well. Now we can see here they marked it discontinued. We can see that star in the top right corner of the price tag. That means this product will be discontinued. We can see we have a lot left here at the warehouse. So what does that mean? After this deal ends, they're going to mark it down on clearance, $69.99. How do we know? Because we can verify it at Costco.com. We can see it here. It's already on clearance with $69.97. So that means just after that deal ends, they will mark it down at the warehouse on clearance. Most likely probably $49, maybe $59.97. We'll see. And just a quick reminder, friends, I did put out a video the other day. Costco's new coupon book did become available. Make sure you go watch that video. We had a lot of great deals. This one right in front of us from Ninja, we have their Matrix Plus robot. This is their vacuum. Has that self-empty HEPA base. It's bagless and it has a 30-day capacity. A lot of great reviews on this one as well. They're taking $90 off the price, bringing it down to $259.99. Also to my left, we have the Shark Performance Powered Lift-Away Vacuum. It's an upright vacuum, so basically what it does, it turns from an upright vacuum to a handheld vacuum. You pretty much just pull it apart. Very nice, especially if you have a lot of stairs at home that have runners on them, or maybe you have a lot of furniture that you like to clean because maybe you have pets. So the vacuum basically pulls apart. It turns from an upright vacuum to a handheld vacuum, which is pretty nice. They're taking $70 off the price, $219.99. And if we keep walking to my left, we have the Samsonite we'll bump into. Now this is our 2-piece hard side luggage set. Great little set here. I like it a lot. $50 off the price, $149.99. If you want to watch the full video on Costco's new coupon book, wait till the end of this video. It's only about a minute longer, and I'll have links that you can just click, and it'll take you directly to that video. So moving forward, I did have the idea of posting at a more consistent time frame, maybe 6 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday. As of now, I pretty much post whenever I finish the video. That can be 7 p.m. all the way up to 11 p.m. whenever I finish. On average, a majority of these videos do take me about 6 to 8 hours to make. Not only because I'm new, I'm still learning, but also because every product I do film, I like to read, I like to research them, read the reviews, read the key features, and talk about it on my videos, give you a little bit of insight, tell you about the features, and hopefully that does pay off in the future. Hopefully it helps you, whether you want to make a purchase or not, and hopefully my little bit extra work does pay off in the future. Yeah, and lately I like to let you know if it's available at Costco.com, whether it's more expensive or less expensive there. Maybe it's going on clearance fairly soon. So I like to give a little insight as well. If you did enjoy today's video, friends, hit the thumbs up button. I would appreciate it. If not, that's okay. Thank you for your support as well. Don't forget, I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Hopefully the upload times will be around 6 p.m. Peace.